Now, mangrove swamp forest is found in coastal areas like Uyo, Port Harcourt, Warri, Calabar, etc. It has tall woody trees and evergreen trees. Now let's see the rainforest. The rainforest is found in the south in Nigeria. Areas like Benin, Sapele, Aba, etc. This rainforest has tall trees and also has trees which exist in different heights or layers. And the presence of little undergrowth is found in this area. This is because of the canopy of the forest. That is why we don't have much undergrowth that other smaller plants growing, because of the canopy effect of the forest. It also has different species of trees like the Iroko, the Obeche, and the mahogany. Now, let's look at Guinea Savannah like I said before. Guinea Savannah is found in areas in Nigeria like Enugu, Osogbo, and Lokoja. And the largest vegetation belt in Nigeria is the Guinea Savannah. It has tall trees and grasses. Now, the Sudan Savannah. The Sudan Savannah is found in Sokoto, Kano, and Kaduna. It is made up of short, numerous grasses and with presence of scattered and short deciduous trees. Deciduous trees are trees that shed leaves, their leaves during dry season. Finally, let's see Sahel Savannah. The Sahel Savannah is found in Maiduguri, Damaturu, etc. It has short, scanty grasses and short and tough shrubs and trees. It has drought-resistant plants. Okay, now let's look at the population of Nigeria. Population here may be defined as the total number of people living in an area at a particular time. Nigeria's population, according to the 2006 census, is about 140 million people. But currently, Nigeria's population may have risen to about 178.5 million people. Now, there are concepts of population. One is overpopulation. Overpopulation is a situation where the population of a given country is greater than the available resources of that country. A second concept of population is underpopulation. Underpopulation is a situation where the population of a particular country is less than the available resources of that country. And we have the third concept, which is optimum population. We can call this equilibrium. This is a situation where the population of a country is equal to the available resources of the country. And because of this, there is high standard of living in that country. And finally, we have the fourth population concept, which is population density. Population density here refers to the number of persons per unit land area, and it is usually expressed in persons per square kilometers. This is a map showing the population distribution of Nigeria. We have densely populated areas, moderately populated area, and low population density areas. Now, the population density is given mathematically as total population divided by the land area. And here is an example to calculate the population density of a given country. Now, the question says, calculate the population density of a country having a total population of 140 million and 3,542 persons, with a total land area of 923,768 kilometers square. From the simple formula for finding or calculating the population density, we say that solution population density equals to total population all over land area. Total population all over land area. And from the question we are given that the total population is 140 million and 3,542 persons. And total, or the land area, is given as 923,768 kilometers. 923,768 kilometers square. Now, if you do this simple division, you will have 151.56 persons per kilometer square. So this is the population density of that country, which had a total population of 140 million and 3,542 persons, with a land area of 923,768 kilometers square. Let's see the population distribution of Nigeria. Like I said earlier, Nigeria's population is not evenly distributed. There are areas with high population, some with moderate population, and yet others with low population. Nevertheless, there are factors responsible for this non-uniformity of population distribution in Nigeria. Now, in Nigeria, we have high population areas. Examples of those areas in Nigeria are Lagos, Kano, Onitsha, etc. And the reason for this high population in those areas are, one, is that they have favorable climate. When the climate of a particular region or area is favorable, it encourages habitation or settlement of people. Hence, there will be high influx of people into those areas, leading to high population. Another reason is administrative headquarters. In these areas, we have major administrative headquarters, which leads to high population, because people need to come to where the headquarters of any parastatal is to carry out their activities as at when due. Another reason is employment opportunities. You find out that in these areas we have mentioned, there are ample opportunities for employment. Because of that, people will have to leave wherever they are or wherever they were to those areas, because they know that when they get there, the opportunities there are high. And when this happens, it leads to increase in the population of the area. Presence of minerals is also another factor. Minerals like petroleum, tin, and columbite, iron ore, etc. attract influx of people into areas where they are found, because they are sources of income when refined and sold out. We also have presence of industries, and of course, presence of industries will enhance job opportunities, and so just like the earlier explanation, this will lead to high influx of people to those areas. Presence of social amenities like electricity, good roads, good water could also attract people to particular areas, leading to population increase. Now, there are advantages of population increase. One advantage is that those areas with high population will have a large labor.